Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Now. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a ton transaction on Rocky Rabbit. Okay, so you already know that you need to make a 0.5 ton transaction to be able to claim your airdrop when the claiming goes live. Okay, so to do that, just click on this icon that I just circled now. It says RBTC airdrop 1/3. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you need to complete these three tasks to be able to claim your airdrop. Okay, so the first one is to connect your wallet. You can either connect a Tonkeeper wallet, a Telegram wallet, my Ton wallet, just any wallet of your choice that you have at least 0.5 Ton in. Make sure that you connect that wallet. If you wanted to do a separate video on how to buy Ton, just drop it in the comment section and I will do that maybe later today or tomorrow. Okay, so just drop it in the comment section if you want to teach you how to buy Ton. I'm going to do that. Okay, the next one is, they said make a Ton transaction. Then the third one is subscribe to the channel. So I've completed two, which is to connect wallet and subscribe to channel. Next one is this one. Okay, they said make a Ton transaction. So click on start. Once you click on start, it will bring out so many wallets. So the one I'm going to use is Tonkeeper. Okay, I'll click on Tonkeeper. It will redirect me immediately to Tonkeeper. Okay, the Tonkeeper is opening. Just give it some seconds. So the Tonkeeper is open now. All right, so it's supposed to connect automatically, but I don't know what happened. So let's go back and try it again. Go back and click on retry. It's loading now. So it says connect to Rocky Rabbit. So click on connect and it will request for your password. So let me put my password. Okay, so I added my password and it says done. Okay, so it says confirm the transaction in Tonkeeper. It will only take a moment. So if you want to carry out the transaction after you have connected your wallet, then click on open wallet. Okay, it's loading. It says confirm action, send 0.5 Ton to the that's Rocky Rabbit, and this is the transaction fee. $0.01 is just little, it's nothing. Okay, so if you want to complete the transaction, what you need to do is this slide to confirm. You need to slide it towards this side that I just pointed at. So you slide and you input your password. Okay, so I just added my password and it says it's just loading. It says done. So I've completed my Ton transaction. They said check-in, so it's going to take 10 minutes or less for them to check and confirm. Okay, so we're going to give it some minutes. Once it confirms, then it's going to tick good and tell you that you've completed the Ton transaction. Okay, and mind you, it's remaining just a day. Okay, it's remaining just 1 day. Okay, just a day and 6 hours for you to do this particular task. So you can just choose to do it, you can choose to leave it. It's all at your discretion. Okay, so if you have the Ton to carry out the transaction, go ahead and do the Ton transaction. If you feel like you don't want to do it, it's good and fine. You can go ahead and leave it. Okay, but if you just started the airdrop, well, I won't advise whether to do it or not to do it. Just go ahead and do it if you can, and if you can't, just leave it. Okay, but make sure that in crypto you put what you can afford to lose. All right, so that's my advice. It's still checking. Let me pause the video. Once it's completed, I'm going to continue the video. Okay, so it actually took like 5 minutes for it to confirm, and as you can see, it now shows eligible. Okay, so that's how to complete that. Whether you stayed there to check or not, if you go back, you'll still see the message that they sent to you and they said eligible. Okay, so if you're able to do that, congratulations to you. And like I said, if you want me to do a video on how to buy Thorn, then drop it in the comment section and I will do that immediately. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.